Hi there, Pisces. These are your stars for February. And it's really like an action plus month this month. You don't really have time to think about what's happening. Unfortunately, for most Pisces, anyway, you would have already been through a period of organising. And lucky for you, over the last year or almost a couple of years, for some of you, things have started to happen now. It's like you've done all the homework, you've done the hard work, and it's starting to come through. So be clear about what you want and where you're going, because you're not going to have time to really think about it or do any research now. It's all about action, and it's a very exciting time in that sense. And I'm sure most of you are just ready for it. So, you know, take it, run with it, and enjoy. On a love level, Pisceans, the DNA of Pisceans really is romance. You all long for romance, and you long to have that fantasy of that for everlasting love. And yes, it is possible. And at the moment, it's possible for you to meet somebody wonderful. But it seems to me, to do that, you may have to let something go from the past. So if you can leave the past behind, then the future looks very bright indeed. You have a great month, and I look forward to seeing you next month. Bye.